If you are still using ChatGPT to write your research papers or school assignments, you are doing it wrong because ChatGPT hallucinates facts and fabricates citations. In this video, I will show you 3 free AI specialized tools that will find real academic sources, summarize papers, and write your literature review in minutes. I am Pat. If you are ready, let's dive in. The first tool we are going to look at is Elicit. If you come to this website, elicit.com, and enter this, here I will say the impact of AI on modern education. Once we send this, we are going to wait for Elicit to do its magic. What Elicit will do for us is that it's going to find real peer-reviewed papers and also extract good data for you. You can see it. These are not hallucination like some of these free AI tools will do. This is a real peer-reviewed paper. So you can just open any of them and you make use of them in your research work. This is why you don't just use any AI tool. Use Elicit for real peer-reviewed papers and to extract research data. So you can see the one we open, it is a real paper. It is not something that AI is hallucinating. Okay? The number 2 AI tool we are going to see today is consensus.app. You can see it here. I will also put the link in the description box below. So if we enter the same question, the impact of AI on modern education, what consensus.app will do for us is that Consensus will answer research questions using only evidence-based studies. You can see it from here. So this type of tool does not hallucinate or give you something that you don't like. You can go on to upload a PDF from here. Then you continue to ask questions and consensus.app will answer you. The number 3 tool we are going to look at is SciSpace. If we go to SciSpace and enter the same question, what SciSpace will do for you is that it will help you to understand hard concepts. When you have difficult subjects to understand, SciSpace will help you to break it down and also give you sources. But because I don't want this video to be long, I'm just making this 3 list for you to look at. Let me know what you think about these tools in the comment section below. If you like a quick, fast video like this, please show me by giving it a thumb. Finally, how do you collect your research survey? I am recommending forms.app. You will find the video link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.